What's up and welcome back, it's Zach. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Clearly you want to learn a little bit about the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser, so that's what we're about to do. Let's jump into it. Alright, here we go. In my hand I've got the Squalane Cleanser. This is my second bottle that I have purchased. And let me just tell you something, I've been trying to get the bigger size because I know I go through it, but it has been out of stock. If you're in the same boat as me with Ordinary products being out of stock, it's just because they're so damn good. This product retails for $7.90. If you get the larger size, it's about 3 times the amount of product, and it retails for $19.99. So you get a little bit of savings if you do get the bigger size, which is why I prefer to do that, but it's been out of stock. The Squalane Cleanser is a squalane-based face cleanser and makeup remover, and that's exactly what I use it as. I use it as my first step at night in my double cleanse method. If you are confused about what that is, I do have my nighttime skincare routine, which I'll leave up here, and I talk about why I do a double cleanse. But just like it says on here for makeup removing, I use it to remove my tinted sunscreen or water resistant sunscreen that doesn't just come off with a basic nighttime cleanser. This also does a really great job at removing makeup, so if you are a makeup wearer, even somebody with heavy makeup, this is going to be good for you, and you can use it right on your eyes. So if you do wear eye makeup, mascara and things, it should come off even if it's water resistant, and it's going to be a lot more gentle than tugging with makeup wipes. So here's how you will use this product. It says on the directions on the back, dispense product into hands, rub together to warm the product, allow it to melt into an oil, and then massage onto dry face and rinse with warm water. That's what I do exactly. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of water into my hands to kind of get that milky texture. So when you put it on, it's like an oil slash gel, and then when you add the water to start rinsing your face, it turns into like almost kind of like a milk, and it just melts everything off the skin. I kind of recommend to use a product after this, like a double cleanse like I do, because this does leave a little bit of a residue behind, and you just want to have a clean face when you're going to bed. This also will take off everything that you've been throughout the day, pollutants, all that stuff. This product does expire within 6 months, so usually I will write the expiration date on the bottom, 6 months from opening it, but I know that I go through this so quick that I didn't write it on this one because I'm going to be gone through it probably in about 3 months. So I really do recommend this. This is actually my favorite kind of cleanser or balm. I do prefer this over the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm. Although that is a good product, I just find that for tinted sunscreen, water-resistant tinted sunscreen, I don't find it takes it all off. So if you're a makeup wearer, that's not going to be the one for you. If you just wear regular sunscreen, that's a great one, and you do get more product for the money. But this one, I do prefer. It does just a way better job at taking off my products, and that's what I'm using it for. I also do like cleansing oils, so those are not in a balm form, they're in an oil. I do really like those. My favorite is from Dear Claire's, but this is just so simple, especially for traveling. Every time that I've traveled this year, which hasn't been much because of COVID, but more than others, so I'm happy and blessed for that. But you can just toss this in your bag. Since it's that pump bottle, you don't have to worry about it leaking and getting everywhere. So I super appreciate that. If you want to hear more products from me from The Ordinary or other brands, then hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave me a comment down below if you've used this product or what you use, because I'd love to know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.